Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. What's going on? Where's he at? Oh. Whoa! How about that? Look at that, guys. How about that? So looky here. Oh, where'd he go? When I walked up and I got down, here's what this little fella was after. Little bitty worm. Saving a worm, one mole at a time. So anyway, I love that flag in the background. This guy, I thought I would go over and check another side of my neighbor's yard. I come earlier today and I walked down some runs. And I thought, well, I'll just walk over on the other side and see if there's any runs. And when I did, there was a great big run coming out. I bet it's 50 to 75 foot long. But you can tell it looked pretty dry, and in that area, I could tell that maybe looked like it hadn't been worked in for a while. And I walked down more towards where he has some landscaping, and it looked fresh, and sure enough, the ground started pumping. How about that? I know this neighbor is gonna be so excited. It's a pretty big dude. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.